Welcome back to the channel. Today we are all-new 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van redefines what it means to travel in comfort, style, and power. This isn't just a van, it's a statement of prestige and craftsmanship, designed for those who expect more from every journey. Starting with the exterior, the Savana boasts a refreshed aerodynamic design with smoother body lines and chrome accents that give it a bold yet refined character. The LED matrix headlights are sleek and powerful, seamlessly integrated into the front fascia, while the massive grille proudly displays the updated GMC emblem. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana offers multiple powertrain options, including a 6.6-liter V8 gasoline engine and an all-new hybrid V6 that delivers smooth acceleration with improved fuel efficiency. Stepping inside is where the true transformation begins. The moment the power sliding doors open, you're greeted by a breathtaking cabin that rivals high-end executive limousines. The interior is bathed in soft, ambient lighting that highlights the diamond-stitched Nappa leather seats and real wood veneers. Every detail feels intentional, from the hand-finished stitching on the armrests to the brushed aluminum trim that runs across the dashboard. The front cabin is designed for both comfort and command. The digital cockpit features a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in 5G connectivity. The driver's seat offers massage, ventilation, and memory functions, while a digital instrument cluster keeps all key information within view. Moving to the rear, the 2026 Savana transforms into a first-class lounge on wheels. Captain chairs recline fully, with footrests, seat massagers, and personal climate zones for each passenger. Between the seats, a center console features a built-in refrigerator, wireless charging pads, and storage for drinks or tablets. GMC has also paid close attention to practicality. Despite the lavish design, the Savana retains its functional roots with a spacious cargo area in the back, multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin, and foldable seating configurations that can switch between executive travel and family adventure modes in seconds. Safety and technology have been elevated to a new level. The 2026 Savana comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and an AI-based collision avoidance system. On the road, the Savana delivers a surprisingly smooth and quiet experience. The cabin insulation has been improved significantly, keeping out wind and engine noise even at highway